This is the Samsung Galaxy S5. Let's take a look at the autofocus speed and selective focus. The Samsung Galaxy S5 has a couple of improvements in the camera over the Samsung Galaxy S4, and one of them is the new Face Detect autofocus module. What that means is that tap autofocus is a lot faster and more accurate. I mean, it doesn't look like much now, but trust me, it does not need to hunt as much as when you're just relying on contrast detect for autofocus. I'm just going to point away from the camera at the moment to get a lock on something else. Bring it back, and it just focuses. I'm going to point it down on the floor, bring it back, and it will focus quite accurately. So as you can see, that is pretty cool, especially when you have those cameras where you just hunt and hunt and hunt, and it doesn't lock on properly, and you'll never get the picture. This will change everything when you want to take a picture. One of the other features of the Samsung Galaxy S5 is this selective focus mode. So it says select an object to be focused that's less than 50 cm away from the device. So I'll select the closest bear brick and I'll take a picture. So the selective focus mode is just like the Nokia refocus. It's just like a Litro. It allows you to choose what you want in focus. So you can see near focus, click that, it refocus to far focus, or you can do pan focus, which is everything in focus. This is pretty similar to the other refocus camera apps out there, and it's also a pretty cool feature to have when you're editing the photos on the go. I hope to see it improve even more in the future iterations of this feature. Right, so one of the other features of the Samsung Galaxy S5's camera is the new HDR mode. So this HDR mode is a little bit different from anything you are used to seeing, like the iPhone 5S or any other HDR mode you've seen. Instead of taking 3 pictures and combining it, I'll just have to hit this, bam, HDR. It's called the rich, it's in brackets rich tone, so it actually gives the HDR effect already, just like that. So it's pretty cool. So I'll just take 2 pictures, one of the non-HDR and one HDR, and you can see them on the screen now. So you can see it is quite a big difference. And also cool is that once you hit this, there you go, you're recording in HDR video. To find out more about the latest features of the Samsung Galaxy S5, click on one of our annotations on the side here. You have a camera test, download booster, S-Health, closer look at the perforated back cover, and power saving modes. Click here to go back to the start.